Okay, it's raining again, so I thought it'd be a good time for an update. We had this post made. You can see it looks really straight. I had to actually spread the sawhorses out because it was a warp a little bit. Put it on the ends and then sit on it as I nailed the center to even it out. And now it's really good. So we're caulking. And it looks like we're going to have to pick up our saw. It's getting wet. But we got we dropped this corner of the porch. You can see it's raining hard. The water coming from the top porch isn't even hitting the roof. But we pulled this together now. It's even. And we used some rope and some twisting to pull everything in. So our next step is we're going to screw this together and then start putting in our bracing. But since it's thundering out, I guess we'll take a break here for a little bit and then come back at it.